Declan Patrick McManus, OBE, born 25 August 1954. Known professionally as Elvis Costello, is an English singer-songwriter. He has won multiple awards in his career, including Grammy Awards in 1999 and 2020, and has twice been nominated for the Brit Award for Best British Male Artist in 2003. He was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 2004. Rolling Stone ranked Costello number 80 on its list of the 100 greatest artists of all time. Costello began his career as part of London's pub rock scene in the early 1970s and later became associated with the first wave of the British punk and new wave movement that emerged in the mid to late 1970s. His critically acclaimed debut album My Aim Is True was released in 1977. Shortly after recording it, he formed The Attractions as his backing band. His second album This Year's Model was released in 1978, and was ranked number 11 by Rolling Stone on its list of the best albums from 1967 to 1987. His third album Armed Forces was released in 1979, and features his highest charting single, Oliver's Army, number 2 in the UK. His first three albums all appeared on Rolling Stone's list of the 500 greatest albums of all time. Costello and The Attractions toured and recorded together for the better part of a decade, though differences between them caused a split by 1986. Much of Costello's work since has been as a solo artist, though reunions with members of The Attractions have been credited to the group over the years. Costello's lyrics employ a wide vocabulary and frequent wordplay. His music has drawn on many diverse genres. One critic described him as a pop encyclopedia, able to reinvent the past in his own image. Costello has co-written several original songs for motion pictures, including God Give Me Strength from Grace of My Heart, 1996, with Burt Bacharach, and The Scarlet Tide from Cold Mountain, 2003, with T-Bone Burnett. For the latter, Elvis was nominated, along with Burnett, for the Academy Award for Best Original Song and the Grammy Award for Best Song Written for Visual Media.